And welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Football is where we begin. Reggae Boyz head coach Henry Hallgrimson says a solid defensive display will be important when they take on Haiti at the National Stadium this evening in their CONCACAF Nations League A Group A clash. Match time is 7:06 p.m. The Jamaicans, on the back of Demarai Gray's goal, defeated Honduras 1-0 last Friday, and Hallgrimson says there is a need for attention to detail.
We need a solid defensive performance. We need to be always improving that cooperation, because if we want to go to Copa America, if we want to go to the World Cup, we will face opponents that will punish us if we are not good in these areas.
Meanwhile, Hallgrimson says despite their 0-0 draw with Cuba in their opening match, the Haitian team will be a sterner test than the one against the Hondurans.
In our opinion, Haiti is a stronger opponent than Honduras. They have more physique in their team. They have better individuals, so they will for sure be more likely to punish us if we do the same mistakes we did against Honduras. So happy with the preparation. Hopefully we can show a better performance.
The top two teams from the group will advance to the quarterfinal playoffs. The Reggae Boyz and Haiti have met 31 times, with the Jamaicans leading 18-10 on the number of victories. Their most recent meeting was in September 2019, when the Haitians claimed a 2-0 away win in a 2018 FIFA World Cup qualifier. Now, many-time champions, the Kingston College will kick off their Issa Manning Cup campaign this afternoon against Hydel High in Group A at Royal Lakes. It will be one of 12 matches in the urban area competition. Another former champion, Calabar High, will square off with Penwood High at home. In a clash of former champions, Bridgeport await Stats, while Excelsior journey to Clancarthy. Another former champion, Norman Manley, take on last year's semi-finalists, Mona High at Maxfield Park. And former winners Woolmer's Boys will be at home to Donald Quarry High. The matches are slated to kick off at 3:30 p.m. Meanwhile, 19 matches are down to be contested in the Isada Costa Cup competition as that competition moves into its third day. Former champions Stats will open their account against Lacovia away in Zone E. Another former champion, Monroe College, oppose Magati High at home, and BB Co take on Roger Clark High, and Sydney Pagan Academy welcome Newell to round out action in Zone E. There will be matches in Zones B, C, D, F, I, K, M, and N. All matches will kick off at 3:30 p.m. Now, the West Indies under-19s endured a tough opening day in the second youth test against the Sri Lanka's under-19s in Dambulla on Tuesday. Electing to bat, the Windies under-19s were bowled out for 127 in their first innings. Jamaica's Jordan Johnson continued his good form with the bat, top scoring with 52, as Vihas Thamika took 5 for 43. Now, Malasha Torapati also took 3 for 16 for the young Sri Lankans. In reply, Sri Lanka's under-19s reached 191 for 4 in their first innings reply at stumps. They lead by 64 runs. Rosanda Gamaji has top scored with 52 so far. Ravishan De Silva also made 43 and Polindo Pereira 41. Azad Thorne, Deshaun James and Captain Nathan Seeley have taken a wicket each so far for the young West Indians. The first test had ended in a draw. Now, 3 Jamaicans have been named in the West Indies women's 15-member squad for the tour of Australia in October. Former captain Stafanie Taylor, Rashada Williams and Chanel Henry have been named in the squad that has 4 of the under-19 players from the World Cup earlier this year. Now, they are Ashmini Munisar, Janeba Joseph, Zayda James and Janelia Glasgow. Captain Hayley Matthews will lead the team that will play 3 T20s and 3 ODIs in what will be the first series for new head coach Shane Dites of Australia. The squad is completed by Vice Captain Shemaine Campbell, Alia Alain, Shamilia Connell, Afi Fletcher, Sherry-Ann Fraser, Shabika Gajnabi and Karishma Ramarak. The series bowls off on October 1 in Sydney. And that's where we pull up stumps for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shamela, back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.